In this video, I will show you how to crop your image, resize, add a watermark, and some text on top. The first thing I'm going to do here is create a headshot style image. The options I have in the Adjust section are to rotate, flip, or crop. I'm going to crop this into an ellipse and drag the borders to create a circle to frame the face. With my circle placed to my liking, I'm now going to head to the resize section. This image is going to sit in a 300 by 300 image block inside my email, so I'm going to adjust the size here to match that exactly. The first thing I'm going to do is toggle off the ratio lock. Then I will enter the exact dimensions of my block. With this set, I can now proceed to edit my image. The first thing I'm going to do is head into Filters to apply some color settings. I can have a click through here to see the default color settings we have on offer. Or I can head to the Fine-Tune section to further customize. Here I can adjust the brightness, the contrast, the hue, saturation, and value of the color in this image. And I can also apply a blur or increase the warmth. With my filter applied, I'm now going to head to the watermark section to upload our watermark. Clicking this Add Watermark, I'm going to upload a PNG image of the Swift Digital logo. Dragging the corners to resize and dragging the center to reposition, I'm going to place this at the top center of my image. I'm also going to decrease the opacity to give it that watermark effect. I can also add a blur if I want to make it pop. The next thing I'm going to do is create our name tag. Heading to the Draw section, the first part of our name tag will be the rectangle that the text sits on top of. I'm going to draw my rectangle and change its color to black. I'm then going to increase the quarter radius to give it some soft edges and decrease the opacity. Dragging to reposition a little lower, I'm then going to head to the text area and choose a contrasting color for our text. Similar to drawing the rectangle, I will draw our text box. Double-clicking, I will now enter the text and press Enter to apply. Now I can select a font and increase the size to my liking. Dragging to reposition to the center of our name tag, the image is now complete. To remove any of these sections, double-click and hit the delete or bin icon. Some other options we have in here are to add ellipses, polygons, whose size number can be edited here through the side slider. I can also draw directly onto the image using the stroke to increase its width. The other two options here are to add lines or arrows. For each of these sections, the size of the arrow or line and color can be edited using the stroke option. With my image now complete, I can hit Save and return to the art library. Once I have exited the image editor, all of my edits will be finalized.